Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Emma and Warren here from The Little Adventurers. Real different video for us guys. We're currently on our very own piece of land. We purchased a block just recently. It's about 80 kilometres sort of northeast of the CBD. And just this afternoon we've cleared a little plot for it right there. There's home. We came up early, we cleared a little piece of land just to park the troopy on. Our land has a lot of blackboy trees, a lot of grass trees, and you know, a lot of stuff on the ground, so we just cleared it off so we could park the troopy and have a place to come and call our own every weekend if we felt
yeah,
like it.
Why not?
Really different video for us guys. Obviously we're not going anywhere, but we are going to show you around the block a little bit. There's not much to show you. It's currently just a big piece of land, but we might even let you in on a couple of little bits and pieces that we're going to do with it. But for now, tonight, we've got a glass of wine. We're kind of celebrating this special little moment, and we're going to sit down and enjoy that. And Em's going to cook. What are you cooking?
Lamb burgers.
Lamb burgers.
Yes.
Brilliant. Cool, guys. Yeah, thanks for being here with us. It's very exciting.
We're very excited.
We're pretty pumped. And we haven't been out camping for a while, so
it's been ages. It's actually been ages.
So long.
And we're hanging for it.
This process of getting our piece of land has actually taken a little while. So we're hanging to get into it. So without further ado, let's go. Cheers. We're fast losing light around here, but Emma's getting on to dinner tonight, and Emma's in charge actually, which is rare for Emma to be in charge.
Hey,
so.
If you watch our last video, you will see I cooked dinner in the last
no,
video.
true. I'm giving her ass. So she's making lamb burgers.
Yes.
Or like some like Greek inspired, I guess.
It's got
Greek inspired
like
lamb burger thing. Yep.
Like sauce with it.
So she's got some Greek yogurt down in here. Got a cucumber which has been peeled and seeded, and that's going in. And there's a garlic clove in there too. Is that right? Cool.
Yep. And then there'll be a bit of lemon in there too.
And some lemon, and that's kind of going to be like our sauce to have. And then Emma's actually making the lamb burgers by hand, so she's using some lamb mince, which would be nice. I think we're having them in naan breads, aren't we? So
we are, yeah. That was the recipe.
We're having them in some garlic naans. So yeah, it's kind of going to be like a deconstructed kebab, isn't it? In a way.
Yeah. And I've got some corn on the barbecue.
Yep. Cool. And we got the Weber out. Here we go. I actually cleaned the Weber today, and I used the. I had a bit of advice to use the gurney, and that cleaned it up really well. We needed a good scrub with some product too. But yeah, so the Weber's back on the deck, and we're thinking that in summer we're going to switch the Weber and try and use the Weber more in summer because we do so much fire cooking in the winter. But yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing tonight. So let's just have a little bit of a tromp around the block, and saw our first snake actually. He's very small, super small. Actually moved pretty quick. So he went up into a grass tree, and I sort of got a bit of a video of him on my phone. I didn't have the GoPro with me, silly enough, but could have been a legless lizard too because it's quite small. But
looks snaky to me.
Emma's like, nah, that looks pretty snaky. Could have been a snake, but yeah, it did kind of make us think, you know, like with the block, yeah, we kind of got to be a little bit more aware of where we're walking and tromping, because I was just walking along and he just darted out. He was only probably 1 foot from me, up into a grass tree. So, but luckily we're in the Taj Mahal, so no snakies up there, unless you're a python.
Yeah. Pythons around here.
Not around here. Yeah, but guys, honestly, this is really quite a special little situation for us. We have worked pretty hard over the last few months to pull this off, to get this block on the deck. And yeah, if you've bought anything in the last few years, you know it's actually pretty hard. So yeah, we're stoked with our little plot, and we've got some amazing plans for this over the coming couple of years. But yeah, we were actually just saying before how quiet it is. It's so quiet. Like, we've got a really busy street up in Yanchep where we live, and we were just saying before, like, how quiet it is, isn't it? It's so quiet.
Here.
It's so quiet. It does
so
really
peaceful.
It does really feel like we're actually just out just camping, you know, in another destination. But yeah, really cool. It's fast losing light here. How we going, Chef?
We're going okay. I'm just checking the recipe.
Yep.
Good old Curtis Stone with his...
Oh, it's a Curtis Stone, is it?
Well, I just
Nice.
searched camping recipes,
Oh,
and
lovely.
that's what came up. So.
Oh, very good. We've got some corn going on in here, don't we?
Yeah,
Some corn and some capsicum in there at the moment.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm just making the burgers.
Going well.
So one thing that I feel like we always struggle with when we go camping is, like, at the moment, because the Troopy's still not completely built out, it's like just little bits and pieces like grey water and water storage. So just for tonight, I'm actually just got this little 12-litre jerry on the back, and it works really well. You can wash your hands. It's got a breather up the top there, so you just take that little thing off, got a little breather, wash your hands. We can fill up our water bottles because it's actually fresh water from home, and we use it for coffees as well in the morning. So 12 litres is really quite handy. With our cactus bag, remembering now that cactus is actually now red gum, but we actually have a little affiliate code for these bags. This thing is sick. So I've been chucking down here like just the cable and stuff for the tent, and like I usually chuck my shovel and stuff in there, so it's really easy to get to. We keep our like gloves and stuff in the top there. They're nice and easy to get to as well, but in here I've actually been using it to store things like the steps and stuff like that. Like that table goes in here too, so this thing's just massive, and all of that can go in there as well as your rubbish. Like it's absolutely, like, it's absolutely sick. And then just on water storage still, but just for showers tonight, because both of us don't need much of a shower tonight, and we're not staying long, I've just got a little 10-litre jerry, and we're going to set up the dual car again tonight, because to be honest, we actually haven't used the dual car very much since we've purchased this car. So yeah, so we'll be able to have showers and stuff tonight, which will be really good. But yeah, we're still in the process of getting the Troopy fully kitted out, and I'll be honest with you, like, this whole process of buying a block and things like that actually has put Troopy, you know, back a little while as well.
Mate, they look amazing. Wow.
I'm just getting a little bit of light on the side of the car because we've got smoke. Look at that. Gourmet. Amazing. Looks incredible.
Nice work, mate.
Yeah.
That's not a finished product, is it?
No.
Okay.
So we're actually got red lights all round at the moment, because there is quite a few absolutely massive flying creatures that as soon as you turn a white light on, they seem to just be absolutely drawn to it and just come buzzing in, and you can actually hear them and feel them buzz. So they're quite massive, like come right whooshing. I reckon they're bugs, like, you know,
some kind of bug.
you know, like the beetle.
Yes,
You know the
yes,
beetles?
yes.
I think they're like the
yeah.
large beetles, like quite large, and they make a big racket when they fly
But I
by
don't
you.
like them flying at my face.
Nah, they flew at our face
No
with
thanks.
white lights on. So real quick,
One more.
bug free, incredible. everybody. We have woken up to a really pretty morning out here on the block and an absolutely peaceful night, wasn't it?
It's beautiful.
Not a sound.
Nah, none.
Except for probably some farmer. Must be quite a few kilometres away. He was popping a few gunshots off, so they must be doing some pest control. But that was the only sound that we really heard, wasn't it? We can hear some cows over that way somewhere, which was kind of nice. But we've woken up, made some coffee. We're not going to stick around too long this morning because we've got the dog back at home. So we'll be heading off pretty soon, but we're just going for a bit of a walk around the back of the property. It's very, very pretty.
Yeah, we love it.
Actually, I dropped tyres yesterday just because the fire brake was a little bit boggy. So I've just recently purchased one of these Oricom dual inflate systems. I actually saw it on Cam Wild's videos. He's been using one of these. You know what? I hated it when I first bought it. I could not figure the damn thing out. But I think after a bit of usage now I'm on the other side of the fence. I love it. 2 tyres, same pressure. Yeah, easy to put on the actual valves, and you don't have to stand there like I did with the old ARB one. I hated that thing. So yeah, really nice and simple. Love it, absolutely love it. And the new ARB compressor, we put the arc earth panel in, and I've got a dual ARB, like a dual tank ARB compressor, and that thing's so much faster than the old single tank that I had in the Prado. So yeah, it's a little tiny bit of luxury, this is. Rightio guys, thanks so much for watching this, well, different little video for us.
Yeah.
We've had a really nice time out here, and yeah, you'll probably see a few more videos of this place popping up. Maybe a couple of cooking ones and some gear reviews and some other stuff. Yeah, loving it. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to chuck a comment down if you'd like to see something from us. And yeah, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out so much. We will be seeing you guys very, very soon.